Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here that you see from year 2010 to year 2018. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the navigation fuse is, you have quite a few of those and the navigation relay is located. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the navigation fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation BMW X3, X4. As you know, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. What we need to do now guys, we're working multiple fuse boxes, but the first fuse box that we need is on the passenger side. Open the door, then open the glove box. If you empty the content of the glove box, in the very back on the right side you have a cover, press that tab, pull that cover out, and behind it you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked. All these fuses are for radio, navigation, high drive, audio and the sound amplifier. If you have problems with the audio system, navigation, always check these fuses first, so where they're located. If we zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see things, okay, just like that. We're going to start, and here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, that 10 amp fuse right here, you need to check that one. After that guys, okay, we will need to check fuse number 13. So let's zoom in a little bit right here. That's 10, 11, 12, 13. That fuse here will need to be checked. Also, you will need to guys check fuse number 23. So 23, okay, will be, let's see, to the top section right here so you can see it. It will be that fuse right there, that 5 amp fuse. Next, we need to locate fuse number 31, which will be this fuse right here. After that guys, we need to check a few more in that fuse box, and we're talking about fuse number 43. So if we zoom out so you can see the whole fuse box, okay, we're talking about 43 and 44. These two fuses will need to be checked. Next, you need to check fuse number 58, which will be that's 56, 7, 8. That 5M fuse here will need to be checked as well. After that, you need to open the trunk, and on the right side you remove that cover, pull that insulation out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Here we'll be checking, guys, quite a few fuses now, and you wonder which ones. Those are the main fuses here that you need to check. You may have all of them or some of them depending on which options you have, but first is fuse number 118, so that's 117, 18 right here. Then you need to check fuse number 120, that 5M fuse here. After that, you need to, guys, check fuse number 170. So if you come in that row of fuses, 170 is that 5M fuse here. And next you need to locate fuse number 190. So 190 is that 30M fuse here. But you also, guys, need to check fuse number 191 and 92. So these three fuses are very important fuses that you will need to check. So if you have problems with these, check those. Now about relays, you don't have relays practically, guys. Okay, the fuses are known as relay fuses. That generation BMW uses only a few relays, maybe 4 or 5 relays total, but nothing will be for the sound system or the sound amplifier as well. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.